This past weekend, we celebrated 24 years of marriage. So today I decided to make a vanilla cake, which I am going to be decorating. It's going to be 2 tiers for my anniversary. So here I have my salt, my baking powder, and baking soda, which I am going to add to my flour and then combine these. Here I'm combining my baking soda, baking powder, and salt to my flour. We'll then mix our butter, flour, salt, baking powder, and baking soda together, and we should get a consistency similar to sand. Here I'm just going to be stirring just to make sure everything is combined properly. Here I'm adding my cornstarch, which I'd forgotten to add at the beginning with the other ingredients. Now I'm prepping my wet ingredients to add to the dry. I have my eggs, my buttermilk, oil, and sugar that I'm going to be adding to the dry ingredients. Here I'm starting with the eggs. Now I'm going to be adding in intervals the rest of my wet ingredients. Now, let's add more of our wet ingredients. let's scrape down the side of our bowl to make sure that everything is properly incorporated and there will be no lumps in our batter. The batter is now ready to go into the oven. Here I'm weighing my cakes to make sure they are all the same size. Now let's knock the air bubbles out of the cakes and get them all into the oven. By the way, I have those strips that I wet and put around my cakes just to make sure that when they're baked, they are not dome. And I can testify that these strips do work. The cakes will bake for approximately 50 minutes by my oven. Each oven is different, so I would suggest that you set a time and monitor it. Then when you stick your cake, if the toothpick comes out clean, then your cake is ready.